everybody? What's good? It's the real Neexy the MC with the Hennessy Musa host Lalela, bringing to you the freshest, the latest, and the happenings of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other, as Lisa would say? Lalela, zoom, zoom, zoom. It's the shoes that are speaking, guys. We go around, of course, looking for couples, looking for lovers, looking for people that do the things. It is what it is before it was what it was. And I'm scouting. I see the streets are a bit empty-ish, kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Those ones, that's my second. Yeah. We are going to approach those ones. So guys, this is Niyathembana Na. Catch us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course your YouTube. It is what it is before it was what it was. Danko's the place to be.
Sanibonani Dumelangu Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yaste Pebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebaleni obala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na-imfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couples switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanumjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Is Zinjalana? Sorry. Hello, hi, look at you. Hi guys. How are you? Nagani mina ninjani? Good. Guys, nginibona nibambene ngezandla bathunga nise cute niyatsho?
Yeah.
Nijola?
Yes, you're dating.
Why are you scared of that? Don't mind that. Guys, my name is Neexy and I have a YouTube channel. It's called CMTV and this is Niyathembana Na. So I just want to find out, guys. I go around, of course, the streets of everywhere looking for lovers. I want to find out if you guys trust each other.
I think we do. Yeah.
You think?
Yeah, we do.
My friend. We am We're cool. Yeah. Let's walk and talk, guys. Let's walk and talk. Ni stroll inside and for
Yeah. No,
maybe one day, maybe one day,
no.
Money. Maybe. It's a discussion for another day.
For another day.
Yeah, I guess.
So I know you don't want to do Sembu. Are you sure?
Maybe that's the mad.
Money in the mad.
No,
oh, okay. Ritu. Sfiso. Okay, I rhyme, yeah. But it's fine. Okay, guys, I mean, Sandy Tayako, yes. I just want to find out, since you guys tembana each other and you love each other, how long have you been dating?
It's been 1 year, 4 months.
1 year, 4 months?
Yeah, wonderful 1 year, 4 months.
Is it?
Yes.
Really? As wonderful, there's a story behind wonderful.
There's ups and downs in there, but yeah.
Okay.
We get through them. We're hanging there.
Oh, okay. Breathing with the wound?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay. And how has it been for you?
Could say Shemina umuntu right, but yeah, unugwayenza amaphutha, but yeah, he comes back and fix them.
Okay. So Tulu amifaka putsa. Okay, guys. So I mean, nibahle ni cute, niyamecha nokmecha. So I just want us to play a game. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Niyathemba? Aningazi nokungazi mara already said Niyathemba. These people. Yeah.
If I'm going to chup.
What if it's buyagui?
No.
Okay, guys, I mean, as I mentioned, so I just want to find out things from you. Okay. You guys have been dating for 1 year, 4 months. Yeah. Have you been giving each other what you need to give?
Yeah.
When you're confident, confidence is
yes, I'm should
okay, so
Bengeke ngihlale. If bengeke ngihlale, you're never.
Usukasi.
Ngisokasi bengeke phela.
So if bekuthiwa uyamshare ngoba uphana kamnandi, what if nabanye abantwana abafuna i-taste of happiness?
Kuyonyiwa phela nawe uyazi angisho.
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda. That's how you sure.
No, I'm sure. I'm 100% sure.
Sukas.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. And then nihlala kaseliwani or nibonana nini? Nibonana kanjani?
Especially on weekends or maybe during the week there and there. Like njoba during the week today. I'll just cut this tola when I'm off at work.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you work.
Yeah, I'm working.
Okay. And then you bet.
Hey, mpecho. Yeah, when I have money.
When you have
Yeah,
money.
when I have
what
it.
are you working for? Are you not working for money, my friend?
I'm working for money, but there are certain things that I need to do. I have a family to look after, you understand?
Okay.
So yeah, maybe go purchase skim, pay more when I have like
Okay.
these problems. You
Okay,
understand?
so you're patega when I
yeah.
budget. Hey, guys, I need you. Okay, it's fine. So, guys, as I mentioned, we are going to play a game.
Yeah.
And the game is called 60 Seconds.
Okay.
It's a loyalty test.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
No, it's fine with
I
me.
mean, I'm
Cool.
in.
Serious?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so ngizofuna ukuthi kube manzi phansi, ne?
Okay.
Okay.
I want it to be wet.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. So I want it to be wet. We are going to play the loyalty test game. Not a test, but it's a game. And then I want you guys to switch phones.
Okay.
Okay.
Niyathemba, you think it's Niyathembana. No, I mean,
Yeah.
so I want you guys to switch phones. So you guys are going to give me your phones. I'm going to hold them, and then we are going to switch.
Okay.
Ne? That's fine. Okay. Guys, you can abana ndaba nani? Yimona ndaba nani?
Oh, man.
Eruthuke so why inje? Le phone le.
Tala wis.
Oh,
Yeah.
tala ile amaphutha yenze.
Yeah, amaphutha.
Okay. So nifuna siqale ngekabani?
Mine.
Eyakho.
Yeah.
You sure?
100%.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, ngicongimamele kanje mavu. Alright, na iPhone. Okay, le ayiwi iyabonakala ngicongivulele. Awusathukanga.
Angithukanga.
Shifta ke ngithe ngicela kube manzi phansi. Ngifuna ukuba manzi nani nami? Ngifuna ukuba
Angithukanga.
manzi. Fulile password. Danko. Sesireda ngithi ngadlala igame. 60 seconds each on the clock.
Let
Ne?
the game begin.
Athi let the game. Leyo shapes.
Yo,
In a confidence
It
inside.
annoys me.
Okay, I'm done.
I always.
Okay.
Okay.
Asibone. So ngifuna singene ku WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Bekushayela nepose. Ungathuki, relax. Okay, siku WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. Angiboni with the sun. Okay, so I want you to go to your name. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ukusave njengobani.
Naku.
You my babe. Okay.
Yeah.
My babe. What if you bacon and eggs?
No man, no, so ke siyazi ukuthi awumabheyi mina ngi.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, sanda sakhe. So ngena ke sithandwa sakhe.
Okay.
And then I want you to search for ngena ku search.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to search for I miss you.
Let's see.
Ivela kangaki I miss you on your name.
60 times.
Ooh. So Nina in a day nikhuluma 60 times. Okay, Puma my friend, Pum. Okay, so we are going to go into the chats, right? We are going to click on search.
Okay, search.
And then I want you to type come outside.
It's only me.
Oh my babe, bacon and eggs, my pets. Okay, that's nice. So cima wena ngathi uloyal uzithembile ne. Ileyo chappies. What if chappies mnandi mlomo mnandi? Okay, so asingene ku the search.
Okay, search.
And then I want you to type it was great last night. Athi what sizothola something.
Nah. Nginga the way ni search ngakhona nani guys.
Zero. Ngaze ngaboreka kahle. Ani angibora. Okay, I want you to go into Instagram quickly.
Okay, cool. Just
Instagram. I want you to go on DMs. Okay, when can I see you? Type, please. Ubani uveja?
Some other guy on followayo apparently.
Why follower?
I mean, I'm dope.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Akuna nix na kuveja ku empty. Okay, it's fine. Let's go. Do you have Facebook? Okay, let's go on Facebook. Okay, I want you to search. Unayo wena ku Facebook?
yeah, I do.
Okay, I want you to search your name.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Yes.
Spiso Innocent. There's another Spiso Innocent. Which one is which one now?
I have
Uba
two
no-
accounts.
Oh,
Yes, I
okay.
have two
Okay, so it's
accounts.
still the same person.
Yeah, still the same person.
Okay, great. Okay, great. So we are seeing Uguti, there's nothing here.
Yeah,
Ne?
there's nothing.
I love this game. I love this game. Now we can switch. Mustne?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, are you good?
Yeah, I'm
Do you
game
still
on.
wanna go into something more deeper than this?
No, I'm done. I think I'm done.
Pelile, ne?
Yeah.
Social media has only 3 Rafet. Let's check. Okay? So this is your phone.
Yeah.
Inje. Okay, I want you to open it.
Okay.
And Danko. Now we are switching. Mapebez. Uzithembile guy?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Ngibalekeli ngisondele.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
You think.
Siku singene WhatsApp.
Okay, what's up?
Okay. I want you to search for I miss you.
Okay.
Wena una chepiso kuhlafuna ne?
Yo, yangidinisha busy kanjani?
Ngathi wena okay, asime before uchweka ngifuna usearch ukuthi buyele emuva. Ngifuna usearch ukuthi when are you giving me again?
Yeah, okay.
By the way, I'm sharing your phone with my friend. And
Okay, asifuna ukwazi.
oh, okay.
Phone is touch one, touch all. When are we doing it as well?
I'm seeing Ayanda. Nipanani.
Oh, Ayanda is who?
No, he's
Who's
my friend.
Ayanda?
He's my friend. Very close
It's
friend.
a he.
Yeah, he's a he. He's my friend.
A friend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll come to that. Now, I want you to delete. I want you to search for something. When last did you watch porn? Oh, why the heavy breathing?
No, it's so hot.
It's
So,
hot?
yeah, it's hot.
Oh, okay. I thought it was your dream.
No,
Oh,
it's hot.
Okay. Let me see. Hey! Kuno 50 shades. Okay. So it looks like this Ayanda person is coming up a lot.
Yeah.
We don't get into share phone, you understand? So.
But niyakhuluma wena naye ni-share phone kanjani?
No, beyakhuluma nobuyitumelo lo muntu lo. So beyakhuluma ngefoni yami.
No,
I was not around.
Mara yabona usenza slim cause like wena naye niyachatha hayi ukuthi yena usebenzisa ifoni
Manje siyakutshela ngisho ukuthi kuvani. O-Ayanda abhekana ubuyitumelo yazi ukuthi uyazi lapha endlini sihlale, you understand? So ntanga, hey.
Are you sleeping, no, Ayanda?
No, I'm straight.
You straight.
Yeah.
But wena nomngane wakho and
Asibona chubeka phambili. Ngicela ungene ku media. Ngena ku Ayanda.
yeah.
Sibone, angisiyabona nje. Yeah, remember it's a game. Angithi.
There's nudes. Like
Ama nudes akabani? Whose nudes are you
okay.
saying? You saying his nudes?
yeah.
Are they sent to Ayanda the guy?
No, ntanga, whoa, uyabona la makamereni, yabo. No, by the way,
Angithi,
bengibona
angithi
isithathu,
we want to
ngitshele
know,
ukuthi
we want to
ngiyenzithatha,
know.
ngitshela ukuthi ngiyenzithatha, so bengibona isithathu.
ibunu.
No, ngiyenzithatha ngitshele le Scorpion ntanga, bengimbonisa ukuthi recommend uthando lo wasenqala ntanga. Ngitshelile.
ibunu,
No, bekafuna
Next is string yam.
dude, wait.
Why?
dude,
It's just
wait.
stringing.
No,
It's just string.
no, wait, man. Wait, I can explain. Wait.
Okay, explain
Asiqale
to
la
string.
ntanga ne ish. I've
Okay,
never been honest with you like entirely. Kahle you got me like you understand like I'm not straight. I'm a bisexual. Just good to when I was just doing it for you like if family am ntanga. So yeah, man.
So 1 year,
it's
4
just like
months,
that.
family yako.
Yeah, good to like street family am.
So uyatatazela ngiyakubona. Uthukile. And then
Yeah.
Ayanda uzomenza njani? Do we need to call Ayanda? Do you want to call Ayanda and find out?
I've seen enough.
Mina I want to call Ayanda. I want to check. I want to see ukuthi
No,
lento
I've never
show.
done anything. We just no Ayanda. Yeah.
Next string yam.
No,
It's just string ngena kanjani? Ufake just string.
No, I don't wait. Into big she endlini yabo, you understand? No, it's not like that.
So wena umazi kanjani uAyanda?
Ngokubathole rumini ngazi ukuthi abangani obviously ngiyabathole rumini and then like uyaphuma ngiyasala nomjita wami.
So kusho ukuthi ama shift ashintshana.
No, I can't.
Izandla ziyagezana.
Like you've known each other from college, you understand? We're
Okay.
school at AWC, so yeah, have been friends like since then. We're doing the
Okay.
same course, so yeah, he's my nigga.
Okay,
Yeah.
nigga washes another nigga's bums and something.
No, it's not like that. It's all about the tattoo, you understand?
What about the tattoo?
No, I took a picture and because being recommended some other guy uThando.
Okay.
Explain
You
it history yami ke.
No.
Explain it history yami. Uqoke history yami.
No,
Wena,
listen.
wena.
No, fuck, yabona la camera lawo.
Excuse me, guys.
Yabo ke, baqeda basingenze GPV yabo. Yabo.
GPV.
Uyabo?
GPV.
Uyabo. Uyabo.
So, okay,
Uyabo.
so
Ayikali, no.
That advantage yabo. Ithi bafayini abantu abantu bangafuni ukuma nabo. Bengafuni ukuma nabo yabo. Ngazongijwayela kabi yabo. Bengafuni ukuma nala bantu laba. Ngazongijwayela kabi. Bengafuni ukuma nala bantu laba. Ngafuni ungijwayela kabi, please.
ungakhiphi
Abamba ayivayani futhi.
but ngifuna ukwazi angithi phela
Futhi uzosivayela ematextini
Remember,
mfethu vaya.
bheka
Uzosivayela kumele ugibele thatha kubo labantu laba vaya ntanga hayi.
so wena ukwateleni ukwatela ukuthi bakubhacile
No, I could bangibhacile. As I'm saying, as I'm telling you guys, this is my friend Ayanda. So from nini nazobona into ezihonga kanje. This is my friend Ayanda. Angazi ukwatelani.
Okay, so
Ngalo khonsenela nama-nudes. Niqoke history yami.
It was a game on WhatsApp, as you always, like I always send you my games on WhatsApp.
What the fuck?
It's a lot, Ntanga, as you can see, as I told you, it's a lot.
kuningi and it keeps getting kuningi yeah. I just mina I was still wanna call ubani Ayanda simfoneleni ngicela phone Mavu asifoneleni Ayanda because wena it's a lot
And maybe semsebenzini man.
I bet uyazi ama-number wakhe ngenhloko.
asibone nayi afake
Fakile.
ithi sibone
Sendela ama-nudes. History yami. History yami.
No, okay.
athi sibone
Emsebenzini yakayibambe lo muntu ifoni.
We'll see about that.
Ubhizi.
Ukusondela
It's killing the
lapha.
ubhizi. Hawu.
ngathi ayikhali nefoni ka-Ayanda oh nayi good shot
Bazokukhapha ngiyakutshela, bazokukhapha.
uzokhetha ubani
Yini enizomkhapha ngoba yini
Okay.
enifike la.
Hello. Hi. Ayanda ukhuluma noRitu ne. Umuntu kaSifiso.
Abani la manje?
ORitu umuntu kaSifiso. How?
Oh, hi.
Manje ngicela ukwazi ke Ayanda wena noSifiso kenzakalani ngoba ngibona ama-nudes yahle kahle kuma-chatweni.
No, umuntu amasizo bathi ngini
Guys, so you guys have been fooling me kahle kahle ngiyanthola uhumini ngazi ukuthi nina you
Mfethu
friends.
mtshela asijoli mina nawe ngisho. Asijoli mfethu mina nawe. Asijoli.
Yeah?
Ngabona ama-signs na kodwa mara eromini please don't.
So kudla na chocolate box kahle kahle.
Yeah, siyathanda kamnandi kanjani?
Hayi mfethu wo.
yeah okay thank you bye
Bayani.
guys sizwele zishubile zibe ku loudspeaker
Ngaphindi uze la uvayo yekini. Angisafuni. Take. Hamba take nje. Ngaphindi ubuye la. Take. Futhi uright Ayanda. Uright Ayanda futhi uright. Uright Ayanda.
ababethu hayi ziyakhala zatetema ziku loudspeaker angisafuni ukuzingena ezabantu abayi-2 bayi-3 bayi-4 we don't want to put any more of it but it is what it is we nazo we run away wakhe mara angithi sukuncedile ubone buzowazi kanjani
Okay, ngiphendula imali ye-taxi.
asifini mara lalela buzowazi kanjani
Guys, free advice. Don't date. Yabo?
inoise
Bamudla
mara
induku.
ngithi
Bamudla induku.
soyazi angithi chomi soyazi Hey, bafethu ziyakhala zatetema ziku loudspeaker. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. I'm going to stop here. And this was another epic episode of Niyathembana Na. Dago!
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yaseqebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
uyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke baleni obala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?